Hello, fifth graders. Moving on to day 2 on our phonics pathway. Okay, our learning target for today is I can read, review, and practice compound hyphenated words. Okay, so our focus today will be in our My Word Study Book 2, and we're on page 8. Okay, so on our page 8, right, we're going to start, and we'll start this together if you would like to work along with me. But we're going to underline 5 hyphenated compound words, and then we're going to circle 3 open compound words you want to learn more about. Right? And then we're going to pronounce each word together. You'll practice reading them on your own, and then you'll have one person time you. See how many words you can read within 1 minute, right? And you'll notice that there's 3 spaces there to time yourself. So feel free to try to improve if you have the time. All right, so our automaticity list looks similar to this. So let's go ahead and start by circling 5 hyphenated words. And these are easy to recognize because that short little line in our first word, man-made, do you see that short little line in there? That's the hyphen. So man-made would be a hyphenated compound word. You can go across and see hand feed. And let's move down and see if we can find another hyphenated one. Here's a send off. That one's hyphenated. Or up to date. One way. Ice skater. Give and take. Ready made. Okay. So any of those can be circled for those 5 words. All right, and the next step is we're looking for 3 open compound words. And the trick is you're trying to find 3 that you'd be interested in learning more about. Okay, so I'll give you an example. An open hyphenated word would be like ice cream. Okay, ice and cream are 2 separate things, but when you put them next to each other, they create a whole different picture. Okay, so if you want to talk about what you put in your bowl, then you want to make sure that you have both ice and cream. And that is an open compound word. All right, and you'll see a lot of them on here. Each other, full moon, home run, diving board. So see if you can find 3 that you'd like to learn more about. Living room sea lion. I might circle that. I'm always up for learning more about animals. You might even circle high school up here at the top, or polar bear. Right, so a lot of different ones. All right, and then if you're comfortable reading through this list on your own for practice, feel free to do that. I'm going to read through this list once. So if you'd like to read along with me, please do that. Okay, so I'm going to start in this upper left-hand corner. Okay, and I'll go straight down until I hit that thick gray line. And then I'll go back up to the top and down, move across the page, and then I'll do the words that are below the gray line in that same way. So we start with man-made, each other, after all, full moon, ice skate, well-being, music box, one way, living room, left-handed, ice cream, good-natured, air mattress, home run, send off, coal mine, father-in-law, ice skater, 50-50, sea lion. Hand feed, ocean liner, old fashioned, diving board, roof garden, up to date, one-sided, give and take, swimming pool, close up. Polar bear, merry-go-round, bath mat, life size, long term, fire escape, seat belt, ready made, high rise, high tech. Freight train, high school, mother-in-law, fire drill, far flung, deep fried, eye-opening, fire truck, sea breeze, space suit. Far off, dinner table, long term, ocean liner, round trip, ice skater, one-sided, well-to-do, good-looking, merry-go-round. Stop sign, spine chilling, polar bear, self-assured, after all, roof garden, fire truck, U-turn, sea lion, bad-tempered. Life size, coffee mug, worn out, high school, front runner, coal mine, not for profit, living room, custom built, well liked. Tennis court, long distance, each other, runner up, bath mat, fire escape, music box, x-ray, sea breeze, good natured. Empty handed, ice cream, eye opener, fire drill, know it all, seatbelt, self-service, swimming pool, sugar-free, on the job. All right, you can practice reading through those one more time on your own and then have someone time you and write down how many words you were able to read within that 1 minute. All right, nice work today, fifth graders.